Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to a new update on Internet Computer. Just wanted to give you my thoughts. Over the course of, if I think about it, Internet Computer compared to other cryptos right now actually looks like one of the most bullish cryptos. Already saw this earlier this morning, of course, but yesterday I kept my eyes on it as well. And what you can see, look, I don't think ICP is bullish yet, all right? And we'll talk about that in this video. But if you compare to other cryptos, the momentum basically since yesterday morning, when a lot of cryptos were gaining some momentum, but the ICP since then has actually gained a lot of momentum. All right, so since then, it's not only long orders. There's also quite a lot of shorts being opened on ICP. But what I do think is that there's probably quite a lot of spot positions being opened on ICP, and you can usually see that. Yeah, you can see since yesterday morning a lot of spot positions are being opened, which is actually quite positive. All right, and you can also see right now in these market circumstances, a lot obviously depends on Bitcoin. And what you can see as well here is that the correlation between Bitcoin and ICP is dropping down quite a bit. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts. Think this is quite interesting. Like I said, if you look at this chart, I would not call that bullish yet. I mean, if you really want to zoom in, sure, you could say this is bullish. It is. But ultimately, if we really want to rally, you need to be bullish on the 4-hour time frame as well. So that's what we'll be talking about. First of all, to briefly look at the fundamentals. The total value locked for ICP right now, it seems to have gone up, but I might be wrong about this, and I'm not sure if we can actually get something to load here. But no, pretty sure it went up. I mean, in the last day, at least most of the decentralized applications on ICP have seen a TVL growth. So I'm going to assume, with the lack of loading right here, I'm going to assume that it has increased. And I do want to say before we get into the technicals for ICP, because the technicals I would say are a bit ambiguous. It's pretty neutral actually right now on the 4-hour time frame. But ICP historically is quite manipulated. All right, and if you look at where the volume is coming from right now, and you see these exchanges, like out of the top 10 exchanges, most of them are pretty shady. All right, so be careful. All right, ICP, like I said, fundamentally it has done quite well here. You can see TVL has increased a lot. So fundamentally, I do think that that's enough of a catalyst to get some sort of a move. But historically, if you look at ICP, it's been quite manipulated. We've had some big spikes up, big crashes down. We've had some bigger rallies, but rallies can stop very, very quickly. So keep that in mind, all right? But like I said, short term, technically, we're bullish, and we're actually fundamentally bullish as well. And getting less correlated with Bitcoin, which is good since Bitcoin is falling right now. But what I meant with that we're neutral is that ICP, what it has done now is that we're gaining a lot of momentum, right? So that's for sure bullish. And if I would have to give you my thoughts right now, I would say that it's most likely that ICP will rally up higher. Momentum is still increasing. There's a bit of a drop in the last 16 minutes, but that's too small to matter for now. So we're right now in the short term, we're still gaining momentum. So then it's always most likely that will continue. And we also broke above this level here at $14, which is also historically quite a strong level, 14, 14.1, etc. Now the main question though is can we actually break above our main resistance level? Because our main resistance level is this level right here between 15 and 15.5. Historically, super strong. And then you also have the 200 EMA, a little bit lower, but still in the same area, and this trend line, which is, pretty major. So that's what we'll have to see. All right, keep your eyes on that level at 15, let's say 15.4. If we can actually, if the open interest for ICP keeps increasing and we can get a bullish breakout above that level, then I think we can rally very, very high, up to 17.5, 18, 18.5, all possible. But then we do need to break above that. We need to break above that, and the momentum needs to keep increasing. And even though the momentum is increasing right now, so I expect ICP to continue to be bullish, I don't think the momentum that we have in combination with the market circumstances is enough to break above 15.4. So I think it's most likely we can get there, but that from there, it's most likely that we will drop back down. All right, that's what I think is most likely for now. Now, I do want to end this video with if Bitcoin really becomes bullish in the next 24 hours, then we can actually, after finding resistance here, still break above that later. But that is very dependent on the market. All right, so keep your eyes on that. For now, I think this is most likely. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.